The US Commerce Department said on Friday that it has blacklisted 6 Chinese entities for supporting Beijing's military modernization efforts, particularly relating to aerospace programs including airships and balloons. The new restrictions come after the White House said that it would consider broader efforts to expose and address China's larger surveillance activities that threaten US national security and the allies. The US military shot down another unidentified flying object over Alaska on Saturday. According to the Commerce Department, 5 companies and 1 research institute were supporting China's military modernization efforts, specifically the People's Liberation Army's aerospace programs including airships and balloons. It added that the Chinese military is using high-altitude balloons for intelligence and reconnaissance activities that go against US national security interests. Today's action makes clear that the entities that seek to harm US national security and sovereignty will be cut off from accessing US technologies, Under-Secretary of Commerce for Industry and Security Alan Estevez said in a statement. The 6 companies include Beijing Nanjiang Aerospace Technology Co., China Electronics Technology Group Corporation, 48th Research Institute, and Dongguan Linkkong Remote Sensing Technology Co. The other 3 are Eaglesman Aviation Science and Technology Group Co., Guangzhou Tiang Haijiang Aviation Technology Co., along with Shaanxi Eaglesman Aviation Science and Technology Group. Being added to the entity list makes it hard for the targeted companies to obtain US tech exports. Both the US President Joe Biden and his predecessor Donald Trump have used the list to punish Chinese companies viewed as a threat to national security and keep Beijing from advancing militarily. The spectacle of the Chinese balloon drifting over the United States last week caused political outrage in Washington and brought into sharp focus the challenge that China posed to the United States and its allies. It prompted Secretary of State Antony Blinken to cancel a trip to Beijing that both the countries had hoped would patch up frayed relations. President Joe Biden said that the alleged espionage incident didn't materially hurt US-China relations, but that it was a violation of US sovereignty and that the US would stand up for its national security against such threats. He has come under fire from the Republican lawmakers who said that the balloon should have never been allowed to traverse the continental US for a week before it was shot down last Saturday.